This western garter snake is not so easily fooled. The defense strategies of molluscans are as extraordinary as the animals themselves. Banana slugs can grow up to 6 inches long. While their color gives them an edge against predators, their size is an even greater advantage. And the bigger the slug, the more mucus it can produce. A garter snake would have no trouble swallowing a smaller slug, but one this size is more than a mouthful.
This is the ultimate defense mechanism. This fawn is still weak and can't escape predators, so this is how she protects herself. As you can see here, when the doe senses danger, she uses a short snort to alert the fawn that it should drop camouflage and remain motionless. Fawns are almost odorless because their scent glands remain underdeveloped for a few weeks after birth, so predators that rely on their sense of smell can't detect them. And when they remain perfectly still, their white spots blend in with the dappled light and shadows of their natural surroundings, especially in tall grasses and forested areas, and hide them from predators. Though fawns are great at hiding, their mother's scent and movement might attract predators, so the mothers typically keep their distance during the first few weeks.
Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how animals stay safe from predators? Today, we're going to learn about some cool ways animals protect themselves. So, we will talk about the defense mechanism of organism. The number one is the camouflage. The camouflage is often used by prey as a way to disguise themselves from predators, where an organism appearance helps it blend into its environment, making it harder for predators. So we have a great example. The example is the frog, perfectly blending with its rocky environment because it makes the animals less noticeable to predators. So the number two is the chemical defense. It is a strategy where an organism produces toxins or other chemicals that deter predators. So these substances can be poisonous, smelly, or irritating, making the organism less appealing or dangerous to eat. So we have an example, the caterpillar, because some caterpillars have an chemical their bodies that makes them taste bad to birds. If a bird tries to eat one, it will spit it out and learn to avoid that type of caterpillar in the future. So this way, the caterpillar is protected from being eaten.
Mimicry. Mimicry is a biological phenomenon where one organism or the mimic evolves to resemble another organism or the model or an inanimate object. So this resemblance provides the mimic with a selective advantage, often for protection from predators, but also for another purposes like attracting prey. So mimicry plays a crucial role in shaping ecological interactions and driving evolutionary processes. So this is perhaps the most well-known function. Many harmless species mimic harmful or unpalatable ones to deter predators. So this is known as Batesian mimicry. Conversely, Mullerian mimicry involves two or more harmful species that resemble each other, reinforcing the warning signal to predators. Predator-to-prey interactions. So these are a fundamental aspect of environmental science, shaping ecosystems and driving evolutionary processes. So here are the breakdown of their key aspects. So predation. This is a biological interaction where one organism or the predator consumes another organism or the prey. It involves the predator capturing, killing, and eating the prey. So, its rules. Predator, the organism that hunts and consumes other organisms. Prey, the organisms that is hunted and consumed by the predator. So, population dynamics. Predator to prey interactions significantly influence the population sizes of both species. Fluctuations in prey populations often lead to corresponding fluctuations in predator populations, creating cyclical patterns. So this helps to regulate population numbers and maintain ecological balance.
Hello everyone, good morning. In continuation with predator-prey interaction, we have here 3 ways for the prey to avoid predators. And number 1 is the warning coloration. Warning coloration is a animal develop bright color like yellow, red, orange to signal that they are toxic or dangerous. This is called aposematism. So, we have here the examples. Number 1 examples of warning coloration or aposematism is the monarch butterfly. So monarch butterfly is a bright orange and black wings, one predator that is toxic due to the milkweed it consumes as caterpillar. And the second one is the poison dart frog, which is blue siya, yellow or red skin, worms, predator that they contain toxic alkaloids. And the third one, the coral snake. They are red, yellow, and black ones indicate venomous danger. And the second one is the mimicry. We have here the example, the mimic the monarch butterfly coloration to trick predator into avoiding them. And the second one is the milk snake rather. So si milk snake, iyang i-mimic the venomous coral snake with red, black, and yellow banding, but it's not venomous. And the third one, the Horvey flies, which is a resemble bees or wasps but do not sting, the tiring potential predator. So that's all from warning coloration, the mimicry and the cryptic coloration. And the second way, which is the chemical defense. So predator have chemical defense also. So what are those? So we have 3 examples here. The bombardier beetle, which is spray a boiling hot noxious chemical to deter attacker. So si bombardier beetle, mag-spray siya og boiling hot nga para bitaw makadagan ang predator or dili siya makaduol. And the second one, the skunk, which is spray a full-smelling liquid to repel predator. So kanipod siya, mo spray siya og smell nga ang imuhang predator makadagan. And the second one, the tobacco plant, which is produce nicotine, which is toxic to herbivores. So ang second one, the tobacco plants na makaproduce siya nicotine and then toxic siya sa mga insect na mukaon sa iya. So that's all for the 3 ways how the prey avoid predators. And the third one will be explained by Miss Nisi, which is the predator citation.
So next is the third way, predator satiation. Predator satiation is timing reproduction so that the offspring is produced in a short period of time, thus satiating predators and allowing a greater percentage of young to survive. Examples are organisms that use strategy includes wild bees, cicadas, caribou, and lots of plants. And the next is the hunting ability of predators. As the prey evolve better ways avoiding predators, predators necessarily evolve better ways of hunting and capturing prey. These interactions between predators and prey have produced some complex adaptations. For example, number 1, the social hunting behavior of lions and wolves. 2, the fangs of some snakes. 3, the spider and their webs.